That was frozen cranberries in my greased bundt pan. Next, I'm coming in with my cinnamon rolls. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. I'm gonna grab my cinnamon rolls. These are just the regular ones, but you can use the grands if you prefer. And we're gonna go ahead and cut our cinnamon rolls once, and then twice, right into our bundt pan with our cranberries. This is such an easy and delicious breakfast. I love making this Christmas morning because it's so fun, so festive, and just super tasty. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut up all of our cinnamon rolls in here. We're gonna use about 1.5 packages, and you can just, cook up the other ones normally that we don't end up using out of that second package. But let's go ahead and finish cutting these up. All right, this is the last one that I'm gonna cut up. So we used a total of 12 cinnamon rolls for this, and we're just trying to cover up all of those cranberries. Oh my goodness. Next, I'm bringing in 2/3 a cup of melted butter, and I'm gonna add some brown sugar into our melted butter. We want about 1 cup in there. Perfect. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so good. Last thing we're gonna add to our mixture is a little bit of vanilla. This is optional, but I love vanilla, and I think it's just gonna add to that cranberry flavor, the cinnamon roll flavor. If you've never had cranberries and cinnamon rolls together, you've never lived. This is so good, so easy, and so delicious. We're gonna bring in our little whisk, and it is time to mix this together. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. I cannot wait. My mouth is watering. Let's go ahead and get this nice and blended together. We want to make sure that there's no butter sitting on top of our mixture. So just give that a good arm strength mix. All right, and that is ready. I can smell that vanilla. We're gonna go ahead and pour this mixture over our cinnamon rolls and our cranberries in our bundt pan. Look at all that brown sugar coming out. That's the best part. Yummy. And those cinnamon rolls are gonna rise and puff up, and we're just gonna get the most beautiful Christmas breakfast you've ever seen. We gotta make sure you get all of that out. Give it a little shake. Forgot to grab a spatula, but this should do. All right, now this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, you guys, look how incredible this looks.
Smells delicious.
All right, it is time to flip this. We're gonna go ahead and put this right on top. Should be super quick.
Whoa.
All the juices are spilling.
That's how you know it's gonna be delicious.
Look at that. A little bit of spillage, but that's not gonna stop me from enjoying this Christmas breakfast. I have the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls, and I'm just drizzling it all over. Yum. I have my tongs, because this is gonna be a pull apart cranberry cinnamon roll breakfast. Oh my goodness, look how incredible that looks. Doesn't that look so good?
Oh my gosh, that's incredible, baby. I can't wait to try it.
Okay. That looks like the perfect bite. A little cranberry, a little cinnamon roll, a little icing.
Is it good?
It's better than good. It's literally outstanding.
Oh,